Having the right colors to your colored pencil drawings is so essential for magnificent, eye-catching artwork. You are watching Draw With Me BA Art, and today I will show you how to pick the best colors for your colored pencil drawings. Today I am going to draw a pizza where I will separate the colors by toppings here. This is the reference photo that I will be using, and underneath is where I will compare each potential color to the reference photo. The first thing I like to do is create groups for all of my colors. Because I am doing a pizza, I decided to split the colors by topping. Your list might look different depending on the object you are drawing. Next, I draw out all of my potential colors. I'm starting out with the pepperoni topping. I compare each red to the reference photo to see which color matches the best. I will pick a main color, a shadow color, and a highlight color. I ended up picking this orangey red color for the main pepperoni color. I went ahead and added that color to my first group of colors. Then I decided to pick two colors as my shadow colors. I thought these colors would match the shadows in the pepperoni the best. I went ahead and added these colors as well. For the highlight color in my pepperoni, I thought the red would be a little too dark, so I got out some potential pink colors to compare with the reference photo. After comparing all of the pinks, I ended up going with the first one, because I felt that it matched the best. Now it's time to make a gradient of the chosen colors. The reason I recommend doing this is because it will help you to see how your colors will mix and blend together. You want to do this before you begin your drawing because this will give you a chance to put back any colors that don't mix well together or match your reference photo. Last, draw a small sketch of whatever you are drawing. The sketch doesn't have to be anything fancy, it just gives you an idea of what the drawing will look like in the end. And it will give you one final chance to put back colors that you don't like. I went ahead and did the same process with the rest of the toppings on the pizza. Then I lightened up a graphite sketch of my drawing with an eraser. Now we can begin coloring. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.